Hi, in this video I'll show you how I apply the gel polish right next to the cuticle. It's super easy design, but before that we need to prep our nails. Here I'm applying acid-free primer on each of the nails and getting closer to the cuticle. And the next step is apply the rubber base. In thin layer, I'm using a brush for the polymer, which just works much better for me. And as you see, I try to go as close to the cuticle as possible to cover the whole nail plate. And after it's done, we're gonna put it in a lamp for 1 minute. And now we pick the bright color. I choose this vibrant pink neon color, so it's gonna give us a good contrast between the colors, since we're gonna be using milky white hard gel. And here comes the trick. After you apply the gel polish with the regular brush, you get this tiny brush and going over near the cuticle and kind of spreading out the gel polish equally on the nail and trying to get as close as possible near the cuticle. But also see how I'm holding my finger facing down, and here's one more try on a different nail so you can see it a little bit more closer. And again, you want to try to get as close as possible with the brushes provided with the bottle, and then use this thin brush to go near the cuticle. And an interesting fact that we just did the manicure before applying our gel polish, so the cuticle is kind of pushed back at this point, but like on the next day it's gonna grow a little bit further, which is gonna look like the nail is itself pink. So now we get the hard gel and get the brush for the hard gel and start to applying. I usually apply hard gel in 2 steps. The first step, I'm doing the thin layer, so later when we put the structural layer, it's gonna spread around equally. And here's I'm getting a little bit more and getting that thicker layer on top, and getting the brush again, don't forget to clean it. And now we flip the nail, and the gravitation is gonna do the rest of the job and bring all that hard gel in the middle, so the nail looks smooth without the bumps. And when we did it for all the nails, we get the top coat and apply it for all the nails. So same technique, you want to try to get as close as possible to the cuticle and give a little bit more material extra on top of it and spread it out with the thin brush. And then what are we gonna do? We're gonna flip it again so all the material goes in the middle, and then we're gonna put it in a lamp for 1 minute, and voila, we are done. I also like to file them after I apply the top coat, so I give them straight shape. And let me know what you think about this design. Do you like it? Do you want to try doing it? It's super easy to do. I highly suggest, and looks so unique. Thank you.